weirdos. So this is my first day of freedom. I'm finally done with my exams, and so yeah, it's 6:30 a.m. It's still dark outside, so I have a lot to do today. I have some cleaning and other stuff, but first I'm gonna smash a quick gym session, and I'm gonna pick you up after. Okay, see ya, bye. Hey guys, so finally done with the gym. Now I'm gonna go home and do a little bit of cleaning now. Yay, happy me. Okay, oop, door. The session was not the best and most productive, but it's still better than nothing, right? Better than nothing. As I said earlier, this session was not the most productive or the best, but I'm still happy I went. It's better than nothing, right? Look at this. The sun is finally starting to come up. It's so beautiful. So yeah, now I'm gonna quickly jump in the shower and see you soon. Bye! It's -19 outside, and I don't want to go out. No, I think I'm gonna postpone everything I had to do today to tomorrow or Sunday if it's less cold, because I really don't want to have to go out today if I don't necessarily have to, you know? It's too cold. Look at those people outside, they're unhappy. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna stay in, I'm gonna clean, do some laundry, and just have a chill day at home watching TV. So first, the cleaning, I'm gonna put you, I'm not sure if you want to see this, but I'm gonna put you on the time up anyway, because I've never done it and it looks so fun. So let's do it. I'm gonna put you here. Let go. Are all my hard drives. Isn't this crazy? Back to the timer. So I'm done with the kitchen now. I can just relax and do whatever. I was supposed to go grocery shopping today, but -20, I'm just gonna try to eat whatever I have in my fridge, which is nothing. So I'll see how I feel about going outside or no, and I'll keep you posted. Bye! So I'm starting to be very hungry, but I still really don't want to get out, so I found some tofu at the back of my fridge, so I'm just gonna put it in the pan and just eat it, I guess. That will be enough for the circumstances. But yeah, that's it. I don't know if it's the cold weather, but I feel very lethargic and in hibernation mode. I just don't want to move. I just want to sit here and do nothing all day. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go cook quickly and then I'll catch you up. Bye. I'm sure it's gonna be okay. Like, better than having to go outside for food. I know I could get delivery, but I find the concept of delivery very strange. Like, I would not want to go outside, but I will make someone else walk around outside just for me to get my food. I find it so weird, and I don't know. I just never get delivered food, so I'm just gonna try to survive with what I have, right? Which is not too bad, let's be honest. It's okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to enjoy what I have. Hey, so just an update. It's actually very good. The sauce is what makes the whole difference. And this is a red wine sauce, so you can survive anything, right? A snowstorm, -20, with just what you have, which is tofu in the back of the fridge. I might have forgotten to check the expiration date, but at this point I'm just desperate, you know? Okay, bye. Yeah, so I'm doing a to-do list of things I need to do before leaving. I will want to have launched the channel and few videos already before the 23rd, where I'll be leaving for Las Vegas for Christmas. I'll need to buy some stuff like a camera tripod, some SD cards, and yeah, to be ready, you know, for this. I'm preparing all the little bits I'll need for the channel before uploading any videos. So the banner was so hard to get the right dimensions and what I wanted, but I did it, and I hope you like it. I'm doing a little generic for the beginning of my videos. It's very simple. It looks a bit like this. I'm not that good yet, so we'll see after. Maybe I'll change it. So I just made an intro for my intro video. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Still cold outside, still have no food, we'll still survive. So we'll see. So hey everyone, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I didn't do anything very interesting for the rest of the day. Right now I'm just doing some editing and watching The Crown. It's a pretty good show. I like it. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you soon. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up for more videos or vlogs or whatever you prefer. I will try to continue doing this, and I'm just gonna continue with my very chill night. Okay, see you soon. Bye.